There's a small Supreme logo here. So what's up people, so it's your boy, angry boy Tanzzy. So today I'm gonna speak with you guys like this for a whole video. So yeah, cheese. I'm just kidding. So what's up people, welcome and namaste to my Tanzzy gang, whole lot of gang shit. So today I'm going to unbox the Supreme 2018 collection. So let's unbox this beast. I bought two bags, so like a fanny pack and a backpack. So let's unbox this beast. Whole lot of gang, Supreme gang, Tanzzy gang. So here's the two delivery I got maybe last week. So this, I think this one is the fanny pack. This big box is a backpack, Supreme backpack. So let's unbox it, guys. Let's unbox from the fanny pack. So about to unbox it. I hope I don't cut the bag. So this one is the fanny pack, the blue fanny pack I bought, and there's a small Supreme logo here, and they did a new design with the fanny pack. Actually it's not so big, and it's like you can like put your camera, or you can put your wallet, card, and have the new design here, the small 2018 design. It wasn't there before in 2017. They haven't done this design. Yes, Cordura, and here's a small Supreme logo as well. It's really convenient and comfortable, like in your day off. If you just want to go somewhere and just put your wallet, or you can put your camera. Yeah, for the bloggers, if you want a small which you can fit your camera, is like definitely this kind of fanny packs will be better to buy rather than a big backpack. Like carrying or always carrying big backpack is like really a trouble. I mean, really annoying. Like this kind of small shoulder bag or like fanny packs are really on a style these days. So yeah, definitely check out. You don't have to buy a Supreme, or you can buy maybe other street brands. Actually it cost me around maybe it cost me around $150, I guess. Yeah, $150 on a retail price. But if you buy on a online, maybe it costs you $200. Yeah, okay, if you like this small fanny pack, is yeah, you can see gang, whole lot of corridor gang, Supreme gang. Here's the half. Actually it's also a street brand half. Let's unbox the backpack. So here's the big backpack we just sent at the same time. So let's see. So let's see what's inside of this box. You can see here logo, Supreme logo here, and actually it's a black color. Yeah, backpack. And yeah, this is also durable, versatile, reliable Cordura fabric. They have the same design as the fanny pack. And here's the Supreme logo all over it. And here's the small Supreme logo. Quality is really good, but as a size, I think it's really smaller than 2017's backpack. Inside you can put your laptop, clothes. You can put your water bottle here. As a quality wise, it's really dope. Here's a big polythene bag from they have sent some stickers, and every time if you buy online or anyway, they send you some stickers, Supreme stickers. Here is a fried chicken sticker, a OZ Supreme logo sticker. And here's some, what's this? I don't know what the fuck is this. And here's the receipt. You can see my name, Oman Tanzzy Sama Supreme. It cost me around $150. Yeah. If you want to watch more video about the Supreme collection or other streetwears, please let me know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button, as well as click that notification button as well. Yeah, I'm signing out. Tanzzy gang, whole lot of gang shit. Gang, gang,
Why
gang.
won't you let me